Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. This is another video, and in this video I want to speak about present perfect continuous. Yes. So where, how, and why we use present perfect continuous. Stay tuned. My dear friends, before we start, I want you to pay attention to this example situation. It's raining, but the ground is wet. So it has been raining, right? It has been raining. Have or has plus been plus ing is the present perfect continuous. Guys, we use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Yes, an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. My dear friends, we use present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Let me give you some examples. Why are you out of breath? Have you been running? Powell is very tired. He's been working hard. Why are you so tired? What have you been doing? I've been talking to Amanda and she agrees with me. Where have you been? I have been looking for you. So as you can see in these examples, the activity has recently stopped or just stopped. That's why we use present perfect continuous. My dear friends, I want you to pay attention to this example situation. It's been raining for 2 hours. So it means it began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining. So how long has it been raining? It's been raining for 2 hours. It's been raining, which means it has been. So here we use the present perfect continuous in this way, especially with how long, for, and since the activity is still happening or just stopped. Okay, guys? The activity is still happening or just stopped. Let me give you more examples. How long you have been learning English, which means you are still learning English, right? Ben is watching TV. He's been watching TV all day. Chris hasn't been feeling well recently. We can use the present perfect continuous for repeated actions. Yes, repeated actions. For example, Sylvia is a very good tennis player. She has been playing tennis since she was 8. She has been playing tennis since she was 8. Every morning they meet in the same cafe. They have been going there for years. So as you can see, we can also use present perfect continuous for repeated actions, right? So guys, let's compare I am doing with I have been doing. I am doing is present continuous and the activity is happening now. For example, don't disturb me now, I am working. So the activity is happening now. Or, we need an umbrella, it's raining, right? It's raining. Hurry up. We are waiting. Hurry up. We are waiting. So the activity is happening right now. But when we say I have been doing something, this is a present perfect continuous and the activity has recently stopped. For example, I have been working hard. Now I'm going to have a break. So the activity has recently stopped. The ground is wet. It's been raining. We have been waiting for an hour. We have been waiting for an hour. So we use present perfect continuous to speak about an activity that has recently stopped. Now let's practice. You have a little time to think and give the correct answer. Write a question for each situation. You meet Kate as she is leaving the swimming pool. You say, "Hi Kate, have you been swimming? Have you been swimming?" You have arrived a little late to meet Ben, who is waiting for you. You say, I'm sorry I'm late, Ben. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? So we speak about an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Jane's little boy comes into the house with a very dirty face and dirty hands. His mother says, Why are you so dirty? That's right. We say, What have you been doing? What have you been doing? You are in a shop and see Anna. You didn't know she worked there. You say, That's right. Hi, Anna. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? Now let's jump to the next activity. I want you to put the verb into the present continuous or present perfect continuous. Let's start with the first one. We usually say, Maria has been learning English for 2 years. Yes, she has been learning English for 2 years. Hi, Tom. I have been looking for you. I need to ask you something. I have been looking for you. But here we usually say, Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? So we use present continuous because the action is happening at the time of speaking, just right now. Rachel is a teacher, so we say she has been teaching for 10 years. Yes, she has been teaching for 10 years. Is Paul on holiday this week? No, he's working. He is working, so we use present continuous. Sarah is very tired, so she has been working very hard recently, right? She has been working very hard recently. So we use present continuous, present perfect continuous to speak about an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped.